If you scroll, just please do it on YouTube. There's no reason to consume, like scroll on fucking Instagram or scroll on TikTok, because it's not gonna change your life. Have you ever gotten life-changing advice from Instagram? Have you ever gotten life-changing advice from TikTok? I don't know, maybe you have. I haven't. I really haven't. It's just been brain rot, it's just been stupid shit. And yeah, who am I to say that you should scroll on a specific platform? I'm kind of like the screen time guy. I've made almost 200 videos just about screen time. So yeah, let's go over my screen time. Okay, so obviously today I don't have that much screen time. Let's maybe do it like this. Yeah, so today I don't have that much screen time, but yeah, what am I gonna say? Yeah, I've fixed a bunch of people's screen times, especially entrepreneurs. It's easier for them since they have a goal and shit like that. So yeah, if you're interested, you can click on the first link in the bio, and I'll kind of like fix your screen time for you. So yeah, why do I say that you should scroll on YouTube instead of other platforms? More specifically, YouTube. I personally have found that YouTube Shorts are slightly better than Instagram Reels and TikTok, especially TikTok. TikTok is just bullshit, right? But specifically, the YouTube like long form videos. YouTube long form videos are kind of like a godsend. Obviously, there's a bunch of bullshit, but rather you watch some bullshit long form video than you watch bullshit shorts. Like, if you could just make this change like now, your attention span would improve a bunch from it. The knowledge that you would get, like, you would just naturally stumble upon more educational videos. Bro, you're watching an educational long form video right now. Just start making this your default in terms of consumption. Just start consuming long form videos instead of shorts. Just like, I just want to make this like as easy as possible. I want like 90% of the people who are watching this to make this change immediately. If you are going to consume, there's like a tractor coming here. If there's a bunch of noise, there's a fucking tractor. I'm out on the field. Yeah, I'm not gonna record it though. So if there's a bunch of noise, that's why. Yeah, sorry about that. Just had to check something. So yeah, if you could just make your new default consuming long form videos, your life will change. Like, just try and imagine your life on like a trajectory, right? Let's see this as a graph. If you keep on consuming as much short form content as you do right now, your life is gonna slowly, like, maybe it will improve a little bit, right? If you switch that completely to just long form videos, you watch like educational figures like Alex Hormozi and shit like that, people who are actually trying to educate you, people who are actually trying to get you closer to your goals in terms of fitness, in terms of like getting like everything, like business, health, everything, sleep, performance, everything like that, right? Your life will go up like to such a degree that it's like crazy. And I'm not gonna like spit on my own dick, but it's like, if you watch my videos, your screen time will automatically improve. But bro, imagine if you're watching someone who's telling you, okay, this is how you reduce your screen time, everything like that. Your screen time will naturally decrease by you watching my videos. So bro, maybe it's a good idea to just subscribe to me and make me one of the people that you consume regularly, because your screen time will naturally go down by it. And in the end, I want you to don't even consume me at all. So yeah, the other platforms are literally just, it's just doom. It's just like brain rot. It's just, if you, short form content is like, I realized this when I used to do like video editing, right? I realized that to get a viral short video, to get a viral short piece of short form content, you need to spike an emotion, because when someone are in their emotions, they engage, they save the video, they share it to their friends, they like it, they comment, they follow the person. So they need some form of emotion for the short form content to go viral. So what is usually taught in terms of creating good short form content is spike emotions, make them mad, make them happy, make them sad, make them feel gratitude, make them feel all of these different emotions. So when you're scrolling short form content, you're just scrolling through different emotions, and it's just like brain rot. Like, usually it's just like brain rot, bro. How much knowledge can you get within a 8-second video that's supposed to like declare your problem, to find a solution, to dig onto the pain, and then like give you a proper solution, shit like that, bro? No 8-second video can properly do that. So from now on, maybe try to only watch long form videos. Only like try to just like watch movies instead. TV shows, kind of battle with TV shows. It's kind of been my gateway. It's like kind of been like my drug. But yeah, just try to watch more long form videos, and especially like try to watch education. You could try and unsubscribe from some of the people that are like kind of like, you know, sidemen. There's like all these people like Mr. Beast. Maybe like if you could try and skew it more towards the education, that would be preferable. It would be a better thing, but just the fact that you're watching long form videos will improve your life overall. So yeah, I hope I got this point across. If you're going to scroll, just watch long form YouTube videos instead. And yeah, go take some action. Click on the first link in the description. I will take you from the screen time that you're on right now to someone who doesn't scroll at all in less than 60 days, and it's guaranteed. So just check out the video sales letter, like the video on there. Check out the testimonials, bro. It will change your life. So take some action. Click on the first link in the description and have a good rest of your day. See you, brother.